Okay, learn Java, variables, booleans. So instructions number 1, create a variable called int can hold decimals. Set it to true if the int type can hold a decimal. Set it to false if the int type cannot do this. So let's rather start off with boolean. This is the correct keyword for variable. I'm going to set this to false. We run that. So print out your int can hold decimals variable. As we run that there, you can see it's false. Okay, learn Java variables char. Create a variable called expected grade of type char. And set this equal to SA. Run that. Next, print out your expected grade variable. System.out.println expected grade. Rerun that. There you go. Uppercase A. Let's move on. String. So instructions number 1, create a variable called open lyrics that holds yesterday all my troubles seemed so far away. We're going to do this using a string. That's the correct keyword for the variable itself. Opening lyrics. Okay, and this is going to hold the string yesterday all my troubles. Seemed so far away. Next, use system.out.println open lyrics. Opening lyrics. We run that. Yesterday all my troubles seemed so far away. Let's move on. Okay, so static checking. Instructions in mess.java file. We have declared a bunch of variables with the wrong type. Try to compile the file using the command javicmess.java. So let's start off with compiling Javik Java. Okay. So we get a bunch of errors. So change the types of variables so that they correspond with the type of assignment values. For example, year is assigned to 2001, so it should be an int. Okay, so year is, this is the incorrect keyword, so this is supposed to be int. Shrek is a string. The single character, that's a char. 1.58. That's a decimal, so that's going to be a double. And then there where it says char, it's true, it's a boolean. Okay, so let's quickly run that. It's correct. Compile the file again. javicmesh.java. There you go. There it compiles.